All right, everyone, stop scrolling for just a second. Seriously, this is urgent, and you're going to want to hear this. If you're a nurse with a decision letter from NMBI Ireland, this video is for you. Right now, there are genuine hospital jobs open across Ireland with many deadlines in June 2025. Let's get into it. First up, the elderly care nurse position with a deadline of June 2nd. These roles are vital in the Irish healthcare system, and the demand for skilled nurses in elderly care is high. Highlight any experience with geriatric patients, dementia care, or managing chronic conditions. Use keywords like holistic assessment, person-centered care, and dignity in care. Elderly care nurse, deadline June 2nd. With your decision letter and a well-prepared CV, you have a genuine shot. Act now. Next, the intellectual disability nurse role, with a deadline of June 5th. This field requires a unique blend of clinical knowledge, patience, and empathy. Emphasize experience with learning disabilities, autism, or developmental conditions. Highlight skills in positive behavior support, communication strategies, and advocacy. Intellectual disability. Nursing offers immense job satisfaction. Focus your CV, highlight your passion and relevant experience, and get that application submitted. This is a chance to do truly impactful work. Apply by June 5th. Moving on to the medical surgical nurse role with a deadline of June 7th. Med-surg is a dynamic field requiring strong clinical assessment skills. Highlight your breadth of experience, types of units, and specific skills like IV therapy and wound care. Use action verbs and quantify your experience. June 7th is the date to remember for med-surg nurse applications. Focus on your core nursing skills and dedication to patient care. Get that application in before the deadline. Show them what you're made of. The mental health nurse role, with a deadline of June 10th. Emphasize experience in mental health settings, therapeutic modalities, and risk assessment. Highlight your patient-centered approach and commitment to reducing stigma. June 10th is the deadline for mental health nurse applications. Polish that CV and submit your application. Make a profound difference in people's lives. The community nurse role with a deadline of June 12th. Emphasize experience in home healthcare, public health, or clinic-based roles. Highlight skills in independent patient assessment, chronic disease management, and health promotion. June 12th is the key date for community nurse applications. Prepare your CV to reflect the unique demands and rewards of community nursing. Apply now. The agency relief nurse role with a deadline of June 15th. Highlight your versatility and core competencies. Emphasize the range of clinical settings and patient populations you're comfortable with. June 15th is your target to get your profile active with nursing agencies. Agency nursing offers flexibility and the chance to explore different facets of the Irish healthcare system. Apply now. The rehab unit nurse role with a deadline of June 18th. Highlight experience in rehabilitation, orthopedics, neurology, or chronic disease management. Emphasize skills in patient motivation, goal setting, and the rehabilitation process. June 18th is the deadline for rehab unit nurse positions. Make sure your CV reflects your suitability for this specialized area of nursing. Apply now. The dementia unit nurse role with a deadline of June 20th. Highlight experience and training in dementia care. Emphasize skills in managing behavioral symptoms and creating a therapeutic environment. June 20th is the critical date for dementia unit nurse applications. Make sure your CV reflects your specialized skills in dementia care. Apply now. The pediatric nurse role with a deadline of June 22nd. Highlight experience working with children and specific pediatric conditions. Mention certifications like PALS and training in child development. June 22nd is the deadline for pediatric nurse applications. Ensure your CV showcases your specialized skills in child healthcare. Apply now. The residential services nurse role with a deadline of June 25th. Highlight experience in long-term care, geriatric nursing, or working with chronic conditions. Emphasize skills in care planning, person-centered care, and teamwork. June 25th is the deadline for residential services nurse roles. Make sure your CV reflects your commitment to providing high-quality, compassionate long-term care. Apply now. 10 urgent job opportunities for nurses in Ireland, all with June 2025 deadlines. Don't let your decision letter gather dust. Join my mentorship program for personalized support. Send me a message on WhatsApp saying, "Yes, I want mentorship." Links are below this video. Thank you for your support, and I look forward to helping you get hired in Ireland.